guys, welcome back. Today we're jumping back on the Mini Jeep finally. So the first thing I want to do here today is actually raise this frame up so that the body doesn't sit so low to the ground, and then we can start to build a rear swing arm. Alrighty guys, just want to take a quick break and talk about today's video sponsor, Helmet Carts. These guys are your one-stop shop for all your buggy, go-kart, mini bike and drift trike needs. They sell everything from suspension setups like you see here that we've put in this axle today, to wheels, tyres, steering, seats, engines, you name it, they've got it, to complete buggies and everything. So definitely go check out their website, link in the description, and use code E2D at the checkout to get 10% off your first purchase. Okay, so that turned out a lot better than I thought. I've just tacked those shocks in just to see what they look like. And I did just roughly space up here just to make sure it was all nice and level again. So this is where I really should have started from, but I didn't actually have an axle to go from. So this actually is the lowest point that this will ever go to. So if I jump it and it compresses this far, this will be the lowest point. So in here is obviously going to be a coil spring. So I'll put that in there. So yeah, this thing will lift up a fair bit. Now, as you can see, I've definitely got a little bit of a gap from here to here. So what I'm probably going to have to do is put a little bit of garden edging on the body. But I do actually have to machine back these hubs a little bit because the split pin won't fit on the shaft there. So I'll machine those back once I figure out how to change the teeth in that lathe. But yeah, I reckon this thing just looks so cool, and it all looks pretty nice and neat in there. I did actually just make these threads. What I'll probably end up doing is taking these out, drilling them out to the next size up, and then putting in a crush tube inside, welding it all around, and then you can put bolts through, but for now that'll be fine. And I'll definitely be putting in crush tubes for in here, so drilling those out and welding them in and sending them down nice and flush. But yeah, the last thing I want to do is put that engine in and just sort of sit it up on some steel, just see how it's going to look, and then I think that'll be all. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna have to end that one here. Got a lot done in today's video. So we got all the rear suspension on there. I'm really happy with that. We'll be changing up a couple little things, probably adding a panhard bar in the back, but not much else. And then yeah, we can jump onto that front suspension. So yeah, sorry it took so long to get back onto this. I did have some parts from Helmet Carts just waiting to come, just with all this COVID and that, it sort of took a lot more time. So yeah, the next thing we'll be doing with this little mini Jeep is that front suspension, and hopefully maybe some steering and a seat in this thing too. But it would definitely, as you can see there, we definitely need some bigger wheels on there. So they're only 6 inches wide, or 5 inches wide, sorry. So maybe we could put some 8-inch wide tyres or something on it. And I've also got some really cool stuff coming for that golf cart in the background, so you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for that. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It really helps to get put out to suggested videos. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out anything. See you guys in the next one.